In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively use Chrome to browse Alibaba for unique or handmade style products and successfully sell them on Etsy. Starting off, ensure you have the Google Chrome browser installed on your computer, as it's often the most compatible for navigating the web smoothly. Open Chrome and go to the Alibaba website. Your goal here is to explore and discover unique or handmade style products that could perform well on Etsy. As you browse, keep an eye out for items with interesting designs or artisanal qualities, something that feels one of a kind and might appeal to Etsy's audience, which values creativity and craftsmanship. After compiling a list of potential items, the next step is crucial: verifying the reliability of the suppliers and the quality of their products. Alibaba provides various tools to check supplier profiles. You can see how long they've been in business, read customer reviews, and check any certifications they have. These checks are important as they significantly reduce risks associated with online international orders. Once you've found reliable suppliers with promising products, it's time to order samples. This step is essential to verify that the item meets your standards in terms of quality, workmanship, and overall appeal. Having the product in hand allows you to judge its fit within the market you're targeting on Etsy and ensures it meets your customers' expectations. Moving on, it's time to set up your shop on Etsy if you haven't done so already. Go to Etsy's homepage and create an account, or log in if you already have one. Follow the prompts to set up your seller account, ensuring you fill out all necessary information like your shop name, payment details, and policies. Once your shop is ready, it's time to list your products. When listing products on Etsy, take time to craft customized descriptions. These should both inform and entice potential buyers, highlighting unique features and the craftsmanship of the product. Include high-quality photos from multiple angles. These images need to beautifully capture your product since they're the first thing potential buyers will see. Consider using natural light and a neutral background to best showcase your item's features and details. Pricing your products is another key aspect. Make sure to account for Etsy's fees, the cost of shipping, and any other expenses, while also ensuring your prices remain competitive. Research similar products to find a sweet spot where you can attract buyers, while also ensuring a sound profit. Finally, once your listings are live and orders start coming in, you'll need to manage these effectively. You can either forward orders to your Alibaba suppliers for them to dropship directly to your customers, or you might prefer to stock inventory yourself. This choice depends on factors like your business model, storage capacity, and preference for control over the fulfillment process. And there you have it. By combining these steps, you can effectively bridge Alibaba's vast marketplace with Etsy's creative shopper base, creating a thriving retail opportunity. Stay tuned for more tips and happy selling!